How to check backup photos in Google Drive. Checking backup photos in Google Drive is quite easy and simple. Launch Google Drive app on your device. Once done, you need to log into your particular account and tap Files at bottom right corner of the screen. Then choose the computers at top right corner of the screen. If you have synced any photos with your computer, you can see I don't sync anything from my computer, but if you did, you could potentially have your photos album directly on here. Other step you can do is tap three line icon at top left corner of the screen and choose the settings. On this page, first of all, you need to set your Android or iPhone sync, and as you can see that you can tap backup and reset option here. And under the backup details, the photos and videos backups are currently turned off. So if I tap on photos and videos and turn the backup on, then you will see all the photos on this Google Drive. So essentially, it will use the same storage as Google Drive uses. So however, you can necessarily easily access it from Google Drive. Unfortunately, you need to go to the Google Photos on your device. So let's open Google Photos. So in order to check backup photos in Google Photos as well, you need to tap profile at top right corner of the screen, and then you need to tap on turn on backup, and your photos will be backed up and you can easily find it on this Google Photos. So that's how we check backup photos in Google Drive or Google Photos. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment on this video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.